Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to install the Office applications and also video and also project. Let's say we have users that needed to use Visual 365 or Office 365 and project 365 on his computer. So very first thing we need to log into the admin.microsoft.com to assign the license, for the video is video 2 and the project license. After we give the user license, the next step is we need to install the Office application, video application, and also the project, on the user computer. So user can sign in as his user account to run the application. So let's see how can we do this. Normally, we can just search for the Office deploy tool, and when you search this one, we see this download the deployment tool from official Office 365, which we can download this one and extract the file. The next one is we need to use the customization tool, which is from Office configure.office.com deployment settings. What this tool does is he will ask we can use this tool to select which products we want to download or install. So normally we can download 64-bit because normally currently always all Windows 10 computers they are using 64-bit now. So we want to run the Microsoft 365 app for enterprise, and if we have video license, we want to run the select video plan 2. And if we have the project license, we want to download the project online desktop client, and we also can select additional products. But normally we select the three, and this channel we just leave the current channel, and then we select which other applications we want to install or not install. This we can choose. And also if we go to the language, we can select which language. Normally we select the English. So just go to language. So I just select English United States. And also for the installation, you will see show installation to users, click on, and also upgrading. And this one we see this we needed to uninstall the application which was on the computer before. We select on or off. This one we can choose, because we need to be careful, because sometimes before the user has like Visual 2013 installed for other applications, then we may don't want to install the video. So let's say we just install Office, but we don't want to install the applications which is already on the computer. We may select off, because sometimes people have the originally already have the video, like 2013 or 2016 installed with the volume license. We don't want to remove them. So just need to check this one. And also the others are the same. Then we just click next. Next. If we click finish, and then we can just export. When we export, we just select the keep current settings and click OK. It will accept, and then the name is configuration. We export. So we export this configuration file. Let's see what's in the file. So we go to this one. This is the file we just exported. We just open with Notepad. So in the Notepad, we see this configuration ID, and installed product is Office 365 Pro Plus Retail, and also language is US, and also we select the Visual Pro Retail, this one application, and also we select the project Pro Retail. So and update enable is true, and remove MSI. So this already selected. And when we want to install this application on the computer, what we need to do is we need to download this uh, office deployment tool. So download this one, click save. So after we download, we go to this folder. It just browser folder. We want to go to this folder. This one, we click. It wants us to export, extract the files to a folder. We just go to the computer, go to C drive. Let's just create a new folder. Just click this one, create new folder. So because this needs an administrator permission to extract the file, because I'm not using the normal user. In order to run this application, we want exe file. We need to log in as administrator. I already extract before. Let's say go to the C drive. We go to the C drive. So we go there. Not this one. Just wait. It's already extract the file now. So Office 365 deploy. So what we have done is we have already created the XML file. We need to copy the XML file to this one. Just copy to this folder to just deploy configuration. So we just copy this configuration.xml file to the same folder as the setup.exe. Then next step is we need to open command prompt. And then we run the setup /download and then configuration.xml. So when we run this command, it will download the installation file to this folder, and create a Office subfolder and put the installation file in it. This will take some time because it depends on how many application installation files you want to download from the internet. So after this, we run this command. The next one is we need to run the other command is to install the application. We just this is the first command we need to run. To after this done, we need to run the second one is config. So just change the slash from download to config, then it will install the application on the computer. And then after all, this needs to be done, login as administrator, local administrator on the computer, because only local administrator can install the applications on the computer. After we install the, run this command to install the Office, like Office 365 or Visual Project, we can log off and then tell user to log in. When user logs into the computer, he will need to sign in to get the application activated, because we have already assigned the license to him, to use the application. So that's what I show you today. Thank you.